So you click on settings, you click on network and internet, scroll down, you click on mobile network Airtel, you scroll down, you click on advanced, click on this APN, access point name, then click on the first one. This proxy, you clear the numbers that are there. This port, you clear the numbers that are there. You make it empty, then you scroll down, then you come to this place. It's on this one before, so you put it on IPv4 and 6. The same thing as this one too. APN roaming, you switch it to one IPv4 and 6. Then you come here, you click on save. You click on save. Are you sure? Yes, okay. Then you click on it, then you go back, then open it.